Okay, once you've got that pin connected to 85 from the cigarette lighter, this pin here is pin 30 on your relay. Okay, the wire comes up and down the side here to this connector block underneath on the centre bit here underneath. Connects to a black and yellow cable that runs into the black part of the block. Okay, and then this pin here, these two pins on the relay, you bridge them, connect over to the green cable, which runs to the same block, but you tap into it. Run up here to the ignition barrel.